It is windy out there. Brilliant skies, but we're feeling the wind. And I know what you're saying. This has been crazy. Talk about March Madness. Let's see, 40s, 50s, 60s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s, and not in that order. Last Saturday it was 60. Then Sunday, remember how cold it was? We worked our way back to the 50s, and now we're doing the dip again, and it is going to be kind of a cold weekend. I want to talk about possible precipitation. This, again, serves up a quiet afternoon. A little stationary front could serve up a brief shower or even a snow squall if the wind is persistent enough. But notice the timing. That is going to be actually an ally because it's the middle of the night. If you do have to be out tonight, don't be dismayed if you see a real quick hitter. It's in and out fast. There's not a lot of available moisture. Now, tomorrow midday could see a brief shower. If this verifies, in other words, if this happens and there's sufficient sun, you could even see a quick rainbow. That's always a treat. Then you can see the bulk of the weekend is quiet. There could be a brief snow shower for parts of the Hudson Valley, and if you are headed upstate, a better chance for some of that lake effect snow, but not so much in our area. So this is what I want to spend a little time with. This is model guidance, is what we think the wind is going to be doing into the afternoon. And Tony and Lonnie are going to have the latest on these numbers this afternoon. But I think this is really struggling. I think it's going to be a better bet that you're going to be still in that 30 to 40 mile an hour range over in the afternoon. Overnight, it relaxes a little bit. Watch what happens, though. It's going to fill back in for your Saturday, and then it kind of eases up a little bit Saturday night, and then it fills back in for your Sunday, so you're still dealing with the wind. It'll be down a bit, but the reality, the bottom line for you is it's still going to be a chilly weekend. Highs will only be in the 40s. It'll feel cooler Saturday, definitely with that breeze. Sunday, it's a little bit better overall. It's a little bit better, and then just like that, boom, another 10-degree jump. Monday, marvelous and 58, and then here's the treat. It's called Tuesday, even warmer Wednesday. Please, again, be careful. Watch out. Any fire that starts in this kind of wind would spread rapidly. Be fire safe. Have the layers ready. And then one other thing. Have a great weekend, Chris.
Hey, John, thank you so much. You too.